Hi automation builders. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a chatbot without any coding, without knowing anything about technical stuff, or needing to learn any third-party app. So the only app that you need in order to create a chatbot is just doubletick.ai. And this chatbot will answer FAQs, will recommend your resources. Also, you will be able to create an e-commerce chatbot, as well as comment automation, story automation, and many more. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is sign up, and this is the exact dashboard that you will see. So this is the analytics page. All right, so to connect the AI, you need to just follow these steps. Go to Settings, go to Channels, whichever channel that you want to connect, just make sure you click it and click on Connect. You just need to log in the Facebook account, and you just need to click on Connect. Select the account that you want to connect, and that's it. So you don't need to worry about manual API keys, using workflows or third-party apps, so you don't need to worry about that. So the other thing is, if you are facing any difficulties with connecting your account, so this is the exact video which I'm going to put the link in description, so that will explain everything about how you can manually connect your account. Alright, the next thing you need to do is go to Settings, go to Integration, and select the LLM that you prefer. So the only thing you require is an API key, and you just need to click on it and then paste the API key. And this is what you will see. Alright, so let's just create a knowledge base. Create a knowledge base for a real estate company. Also create a list of FAQs to train AI better. Alright, so if you have conversations with your clients, if you have a lot of information about your business, then you can feed it to ChatGPT and then you can ask it to create a knowledge base. But the main thing is not just about the knowledge base, it's about training it. So the best way to train it is to create an FAQ. So how you want the AI to respond. So if someone asks, how can I buy a house? It makes sure it responds in this manner. So you are setting up the tone. So that is what exactly is about how you can train the AI. So the more FAQs that you have about your business, about your agency, that is what is going to help AI respond better for you. So for now, we're just going to copy this. Alright, so we've copied this. Go to Settings, click on Edit, and just paste it here. Alright, so if you have files, so if you want to train AI on FAQs specifically, so you can use this option, and then you will see you can paste the information here. This is where a user responds, and an agent responds. Then you can save it. The other way to do it is by uploading files. So for that, just go to OpenAI. Then you will see Assistant. So this is where you can upload your files, and then you can give the prompt how you can train it. So that's one thing. Let me just show you how it works on the phone right now. So that's the only thing that you need to do, nothing else. It is automatically deployed on Instagram that we just connected. So let me just show you how it works. Alright, so I'm going to message. Let me just ask, how do I sell my home? Do you have any rental listings? Can foreigners buy property in NYC? As you can see, these are the FAQs that was there in the knowledge base. So it's responding exactly how we have given. So that's how you have to prompt it, telling if the user asks this question, you have to respond in this manner. So that's how it's responding to all the queries. Let me just ask something that is not trained. I'm just going to ask, how can I get in touch with you? Alright, so as you can see, it understood that all the FAQs that it has in short responses. So for this one, it understood it has to respond in short. So that's how it's responding. Alright, so now we will create AI triggers. So what AI trigger does is, whatever automation that you create, you can tell AI. So whenever a user asks for this thing, you need to recommend this particular automation. So it does the job for you. So no matter how many automations you can create unlimited AI triggers. So for normal, we already have created a few templates for these creators, and we will be creating more. For now, we have created knowledge base for realtors. So we're going to start with add. We're going to add a realtor trigger, let's just say. Alright, so we're going to create an AI trigger. So first, we need to create an automation. What we want to recommend. So if a user asks for a realtor checklist, we want AI to recommend this automation for them. So where we can add to ask a qualifying question, or we can give them the appointment link. We're going to start with uploading an image. So for example, this one, which is a rental property checklist. Alright, so you can resize however you want to. So this image is in portrait. So we're going to click on this one. We're going to say rental property checklist. This will help you organize your rental properties. Alright, so this way we will say, click on this. Get checklist. Alright, so you can either trigger another automation by clicking on this one. Let me just show you. So this way, once they click on this button, so it will trigger this automation where you can ask questions like, can I have your name? Alright, so let me just ask name. We can click on edit, make sure it's a text field because we are asking a question and expect a text out of it. So we're going to select text. We already have the custom field for this full name and skip and save. So it will automatically, once they click this button, it's going to ask this question. So after this, you're going to ask for their email. Can I also have your email? Okay, and click on edit. The custom field is already set and saved. So after we have their name and email, we are going to tell them. Here is your checklist for rental property. Alright, so then we're going to click and save. Get now. Okay, let me just save this. You can also have the same option here, which is opening a website. So if you don't want to ask questions, you just want to give them the link directly. You can click on Open Website. Let me just add our website for now, which is copy and paste. So here you can add your digital product website, course website, community website. So whichever website link you want to add, you can add that. So once we have asked them the questions, they're going to get this automation and then they will have access to the link. We're going to save it and we're going to go to Flows. Click on Settings. Go to Integration. Whichever LLM that you have connected, make sure you click on it and go to AI Triggers. Okay, then click on this and we will name it as Rental Property Checklist. Okay, this is the instruction about what the AI does. Allows the user to have access to our rental property checklist. Okay. Alright, the trigger. So whichever flow you want to connect, you just select from here. Alright, and make sure continue. So now we have created the AI trigger. So first you need to create an automation. Then you need to create an AI trigger. So now we have that. Now we need to connect that AI trigger, which is going to be rental checklist. So now we have it. So even if you don't add a prompt here, it's fine, it's still going to understand. But if you have a lot of AI triggers, then it's better to have the instruction here. Important instruction. So first, whenever user is asking about rental property checklist, then activate this AI trigger. User asks about rental property checklist and activate this AI trigger. The AI trigger is the name of the AI trigger itself, rental checklist. So now it's done. That's it. That's the only thing you need to do. Let me show you how it works on phone. All right, so we're going to ask, I'm looking for rental property checklist. Can I have it? All right, so here you go. So it has recommended the automation that we just created. So now we're going to tap the button and it's going to ask for the name, which is Alex. alextest@gmail.com. All right, so here's the link. So that's how you can create an AI trigger. All right, so now we're going to create a comment automation. Whenever user has commented on your post, you just tell them to, hey, comment this word, and then I'll DM you right. We already have created this automation. We're going to use the same automation for comment automation. All right, so let me just publish, go to flows. You need to go to tools and then go to Instagram comment automation and click on, let's just say, realtor. All right. And then for private reply. So private reply is what you are going to send a DM to them. So either it can be a message or a flow, or it can be none. So if you don't want to DM, that's okay. So for now, we have the automation here. So we're going to select the automation, which is this one. The public reply is the reply to the comment. So we're going to select text. We will say sending right now. So you can add more, which is going to be check DM if you want to reply different. All right, then it can be on all comments. Or if you want to set this automation for specific posts, then you can also select from here. Now we're going to select on comment equal to, which is we're going to add in keyword. So keyword is going to be checklist. So if they comment this, then only this automation will trigger. More option. It's better to have this one reply only once to each user, and you can set this. So if your post is getting viral, then it's better to have a gap when to reply. So randomly send in 3 minutes, then the meta won't block your automation. So for now, it's just a new account. So we're just going to select immediately save, and we will connect. We'll turn this on. So now I'm going to show you how it works on the phone. All right, so now we have the post here. So let me just comment, checklist. All right, now we will wait for this to get triggered. All right, so now we have the message here. So this is the exact automation that we connected for comment automation. Let's just check the reply. Here we go. So we have the comment here. So now we will create story automation. So we'll use the same automation that we have created. You need to go to Tools, click on Story Automation, click on Add, Checklist, Continue. All right, and we can select specific stories or all stories. Reply with flow. Obviously, we're going to reply with realtor trigger. Obviously, if it's going to be an equal to keyword, which is going to be a checklist, and click on Save. Just turn this on, and let me show you how it works on phone now. All right, so now we have the story here. Click on it. Now we're going to Message, Checklist, Message Send. And now we're going to wait for the message. So here we have the message. So this shows that we have commented on story, and this is the automation that it got triggered. To create e-commerce chatbot, you don't need to do anything. The only thing you need to do is that you need to make sure you have all the products that you want to add. It will automatically deploy on all the channels that you have connected. So go to eCommerce. You can see we already have added demo products. To add, you just need to click on Ads. You can also connect your meta catalog, or you can import products as well. Click on Add. Add the description of the product, the prices, taxes, the images. And you can also add variants, add-ons. This is important where you need to add tags. So the tags is how the AI is going to understand which product it is. So you need to specify the tag. So whenever user searches that tag or that product, it will match the tag, and then it will find the product and recommend it for you. Then you can make the changes. You can watch the video, which I will add in the description, which is a detailed video about how you can create your e-commerce product, and it mentions everything about these settings as well. So we already have this product, so I'm going to show you on phone how it works. All right, so I'm going to message this, and I'm going to ask the product that it has. So do you have blue jeans? So it found. So let me just add to cart. Select medium. And we have it here. So let me just view the cart so it can show which product we have already added. So this is what it is. You can also show my items. So this is a product we added. So let me just remove this. Obviously, you can do that in DM itself. So click on cart, and it will show it is empty. So let me just ask, do you have polo shirts? So it found the polo shirts. So obviously, there were 2 types. So let me just add to cart. It's going to ask quantity, add 3. We can check out. So we already selected 3. So that's why we have 3 products in cart. So let's just check out. We can add the whole information here. So the customer can literally check out in DM. So let me just fill this randomly. So you can also add the promo code, and you can also integrate your Stripe account or PayPal so they can also make the payment directly by adding their credit card details. So right now, we have this 75. And we have received the receipt as well, so it instantly sends the receipt for you in the end. Alright, so this is how you can create an e-commerce chatbot. Alright, so that's how you can create automations where you can create a recommendation bot that is going to recommend your affiliated links or your community links or your course links or digital products. And I've also showed you how you can sell your products, which is building an e-commerce chatbot within DMs that is going to assist customers as well as recommend products for you. I will also add links in description about how you can create appointments, how you can create an AI call agent as well. Thank you for watching.